Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best styrofoam wreath is probably one of the most versatile crafting essentials, perfect for a wide array of DIY projects. Whether you're a seasoned crafter or just starting out, this lightweight and easily customizable base offers endless possibilities. From festive holiday decorations to personalized home decor, the styrofoam wreath provides a blank canvas for your creativity. In this video, we'll explore the best options available and help you find the perfect one for your next project. Number 5. Juvale Wreath Form, 12 by 12 by 2 in, pack of 3. These 12-inch white foam wreath rings are perfect for various craft projects. You can create custom front door wreaths or artificial floral arrangements using them. Enhance the white foam wreath form with burlap ribbon, faux leaves, and artificial flowers. It's great for designing table centerpieces or floral arrangements for different occasions. Once decorated, you can showcase your DIY foam creations anywhere. It is ideal for Thanksgiving and Christmas decorations, and can be displayed indoors or outdoors. The wreath forms measure 12 by 12 by 2 inches, making them suitable for many projects. You can create nursery crib canopies or fabric-wrapped front door decor. This set includes 3 foam rings, providing ample supplies for your projects. It offers creative opportunities for anyone looking for unique styling. What we like. This set of foam wreath rings is perfect for a wide range of DIY projects. It's the ideal size for creating beautiful wreaths for any occasion. If you're looking to decorate your home for the holidays or create custom gifts, this is a great choice. What people say. The wreath is the perfect size for my front door. It is easy to decorate. The shape is perfect and the material is sturdy. Number 4. Juvale Foam Cone Pack, DIY Craft Supplies. Looking for the perfect base for your holiday crafts? These foam cones are ideal for creating Christmas trees and gnomes. They're perfect for school projects or custom floral arrangements. Made from high-quality foam, it offers a smooth surface for all your creative ideas. You can decorate it with paint, twine, or ribbon to create stunning visual effects. Use it to create unique centerpieces or party supplies. It's great for weddings, baby showers, Christmas, or birthdays. The possibilities are endless. Each cone measures 4.5 by 13.5 inches and can be easily shaped. You can sand and cut it to your desired form, allowing for versatile crafting options. This pack includes 4 large CraftFōM cones, each 13.5 inches tall. It's an essential addition to your crafting supplies, ensuring you always have one ready for your next project. What we like. These foam cones are designed to help you craft your own holiday decorations. The smooth surface is easy to customize with paint or other embellishments. If you are looking for a fun and creative project to do with the kids, this is a great option. What people say. The wreath is perfect for my project. The size is just right. It is exactly what I needed. Number 3. Juvale 12 by 12 by 1 inch white foam discs, 6-pack. These Juvale foam circles are an excellent base for your creative projects. You can use them for foam wreath crafts and elegant foam centerpieces. This allows you to create stunning displays. Transform these crafting foams into captivating centerpieces or craft foam blocks. The adaptable base supports creative expression. It allows for unique designs tailored to your event decor needs. Enhance your gatherings with this round foam base. It's ideal for crafting charming holiday decorations or sophisticated event displays. They provide a sturdy base for creating stunning floral arrangements and artistic installations. The set includes 6 white foam discs, ensuring an ample supply for extensive foam crafts. They are perfect for both large-scale and multiple endeavors. These foam blocks support creativity throughout various occasions. Each foam disc measures 12 inches in diameter and 1 inch in thickness. This provides sufficient space for carving and shaping. These round foam circles can be easily cut and customized for specific project requirements. What we like. These foam discs provide a versatile base for all sorts of creative projects. You can easily customize it with paint, glitter, or flowers. If you're planning a wedding or party and want to create your own centerpieces, this is a great choice. What people say. The wreath is the perfect size for my front door. It is easy to decorate. The styrofoam is sturdy and holds the decorations well. Number 2. Bright Creations Foam Cones for Crafts, Pack of 6. These versatile CraftFōM cones are perfect for creating handmade gnomes and stunning holiday decorations. You can easily tailor them with paint, rope, twine, ribbon, or lace to fit your needs. These art cones are ideal for crafting captivating bridesmaid bouquets, centerpieces, and party decorations. They are perfect for weddings, baby showers, engagement parties, or birthdays. Made from high-quality polystyrene, these durable foam cones offer a sturdy base for your creative projects. The smooth surface ensures easy customization with acrylic paint, glitter, fabric, sequins, and moss. Each white polystyrene foam cone measures 3.8 by 9.5 inches, offering the ideal size for a variety of crafting applications. It's the perfect size for your next project. This bulk set includes 6 foam cones, providing an ample supply for multiple crafting endeavors. Designed for DIY enthusiasts, they cover a wide range of uses, from floral arrangements to other craft projects. Trust in Bright Creations for superior CraftFōM cones and foam tree forms. Designed for adults, these foam cones ensure versatility and durability for your home projects, making them perfect for various art and craft needs. What we like. These foam cones are perfect for creating handmade gnomes and other holiday decorations. The durable material is easy to customize. If you like to make your own decorations for parties or holidays, you should consider this. What people say. The wreath is perfect for my project. The size was exactly what I needed. It is easy to work with. Number 1. FloraCraft CraftFōM Wreath 1.7 x 11.7 white. This package includes 1 white extruded CraftFōM wreath. It's perfect for a variety of crafting projects, and it's easy to work with. This wreath is made with recycled plastic, making it an eco-friendly choice. You can feel good about using it for your crafts. The unique cell structure is great for poking, picking, cutting, shaping, and painting. It offers a satisfying texture for all your creative needs. Its lightweight design makes it easy to hang. You can easily display your finished creations without any hassle. This product is made by a socially responsible American company. They are committed to quality and ethical practices. What we like. This wreath is made with recycled plastic, making it an eco-friendly choice. It's lightweight, so it's easy to hang. If you're looking for a sustainable option that's also easy to work with, you should consider this. What people say. The wreath is the perfect size for my front door. It is easy to decorate. The styrofoam is sturdy and holds the decorations well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.